Butter tour. Oh, my hair. My bangs are so long. All the way to Earth once. We're going on a banana boat right now. It is super hot though. Oh my gosh. I'm fighting with the heat right now. This is for my phone. These are so wobbly. We're getting on a banana boat now. Banana boat. Sir, tulungan niyo, sir. My hair! It was so fun though. I just went swimming in the pool, so I'm eating fries now. After this I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna put on my OOTD. Guys, I need to poo so bad. My friend made me this necklace. Cinnamon roll. I'm gonna choose cinnamon roll. And then this flower. Then this pickles. And then the bun.
멈춰랄 것 없이 두근거림에 이끌려 우린 너무나 닮았고 희미한 달빛도 두렵지 않았어 아무도 우릴 찾을 수 없게 나 닮았고 희미한 달빛도 두렵지 않았어 아무도 우릴 찾을 수 없게 꿈처럼 영원을 그리던 밤이었어
So there's one here, and then one of the bottom.
말듯 하는 빛이 몇 번이나 서로 오고 갔는지 누가 멈춰랄 것 없이 두근거림에 이끌려 우린 너무나 닮았고 희미한 달빛도 두렵지 않았어 아무도 우릴 찾을 수 없게 꿈처럼 영원을 그리던
We're gonna eat at the Two Seasons right now because there are only two seasons in the Philippines, which is sunny and rainy. So that's why it's not the Four Seasons. The sunset here is so nice though. The sand is so nice, but the wind is crazy. It keeps on going in my face. Also, I took some digicam pics here. Hey guys, today is our last full day here in Boracay. It's around 7 right now and my family went out to the beach to take pictures at like the crystal boats and like swim a bit in the ocean, but I didn't want to do that, so I'm here on my own. But we're about to have breakfast soon, so I'm going to change and then go downstairs. This is what I'm wearing right now, and I'm just wearing my jorts and then my top I got from Korea. gonna do a haul of what we got today. I mean, like just now. This is my Melody zip bag. These two are for my sister and her friend, so they can get matching.
This is mine.
Yeah, this is my sister's phone charm with Kuromi on it. So this necklace is my sister's. It has a shell on it with a pearl. My sister got this bracelet earlier, and then she has this Kuromi one as well. Then she got a turtle necklace as well, and then she got this fish.
Her name's Ophelia.
Yeah, from Kinder Joy.
Yeah.
Then I got more bracelets. This one is just a pink one with flowers and pearls. And then this one is my Melody. Actually, I have this already, but she broke it. So I got another one. And then I got her matching one as well, Kuromi. Then I got this hair clip. I'm wearing the pink one right now. Then this claw clip because it's cute. It's like a different style.
내